Hi guys, I'm here again for another video, and today I'll be teaching you how to download your Instagram information. Now, downloading your Instagram information may prove useful, especially if you're thinking of deactivating or deleting your account. This way, you'll still have your photos and video clips and others that you've posted. On top of that, downloading your Instagram information can be done in few easy steps. As usual, the first thing we do is to log into our accounts. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon and then on Settings. Next thing is to go to the Privacy and Security area and then scroll down here until we see this Data Download and then click on Request Download. Here you'll be prompted to give an email where they can send you the information that you're going to download. As you see here, I've already put in my email. And here you can choose which format you would prefer your information to be sent to you. Now I've clicked on HTML. I just prefer it better. And then click on Next. Then you'll be prompted to provide your password, which I'm going to give now. And then click on Request Download. And there you have it. As you can see here, it says here it may take up to 48 hours to collect this information and send it to you. So yeah, they do have a 48 hours timeline. Now it's also possible to download your data using the app on your device, and it's almost the same process. First thing you're gonna do is to just tap on your profile icon and then tap on what I call the hamburger icon. After that, go to Settings and then to Security and click on Download Data. Now this process is pretty much similar to how you're gonna do it if you're doing it on your browser. You just input your email address and click on Request Download, and it's pretty much the same. As you can see here, it also says that it may take up to 48 hours to collect this data and send it to you. And that's it, guys. For more information on Instagram how-tos and hacks, check out our website or click on that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.